2024 Porsche Panamera Sport Turismo redesign, review, and price. Porsche presents Panamera with various types. One of the best types is new Porsche Panamera Sport Turismo 2024 with wagon shape, can accommodate 5 passengers, and measuring 5,049 meters in length, and boot space varies from 425 to 1,295 liters. The output of this car varies, from 330 to 680 HP. The Panamera Sport comes with a variety of powertrain options, from the base 325 HP twin-turbo V6 to the stunning 690 HP twin-turbo V8. New Porsche Panamera Sport Turismo 2024, what's new? 2024 Porsche Panamera is not just a regular sedan, but also a sedan that has perfect performance. The new Panamera Sport Turismo 2024 comes with an alternative body to the executive model, which has a long wheelbase and can increase legroom at the rear. 2024 Porsche Panamera Sport Turismo refreshed can accommodate 5 passengers including the driver inside. Adaptive cruise control is also present as standard equipment that can help you to drive more easily, safely, and comfortably. The new Panamera Sport Turismo 2024 exterior. On the wheels, you will find tires with 19-inch silver aluminum alloy wheels. With tire size at the front 265/45 year 19.0 and at the rear 295. In addition, the suspension is 4, with a multi-link rear, and the front is an adaptive double wishbone that can add comfort when driving so as not to feel damaged road conditions. Porsche presents an express sunroof made of glass on the fly. There are cameras for parking using surround view, both on the front, rear, right, and left. The 2024 Porsche Panamera Sport Turismo model is similar in design to other Panamera sedans, but has more practical cargo space and cabin and can accommodate more storage. 2024 Porsche Panamera Sport Turismo interior. Porsche has a luxurious and elegant interior design look. On the driver's seat and other passenger seats, you can set electrically for the heating section. The seat can be adjusted in 8 directions. The number of seats provided by Porsche for the 2024 Porsche Panamera Sport Turismo model is 5, with each seat made of leather adding to the elegance. The back of the chair can be folded flat to accommodate long and more luggage. The maximum capacity of loading goods in the interior is 518 to 1,388 L. There is also an armrest on the passenger seat, both at the front and rear. Not only on the seats, the steering wheel and shift knob also use leather to add to the elegant and expensive impression of Porsche. 2024 Panamera Sport Turismo engine. The new 2024 Porsche Panamera Sport Turismo uses a premium unleaded V6 2.9-liter turbo engine with an 8-speed automatic transmission. The fastest variant of the Panamera Sport Turismo 2024 has the ability to accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour or 100 km/h in just 3.4 seconds, not forgetting that this car comes with all-wheel drive. The engine capacity is 2,894 cubic centimeters, with automatic PDK transmission and AWD drivetrain. The maximum torque that can be produced is up to 450 nanometers. The horsepower of the Turismo Sports engine can reach 325 HP at 5,400 RPM. For fuel capacity, the 2024 Porsche Panamera Sport Turismo can reach 23.7 gal with a fuel recommendation that is premium unleaded. New features of Porsche Panamera Sport Turismo 2024. The steering wheel on the Panamera feels heavier, especially in the Sport and Sport Plus types and modes. But its stability in corners should not be doubted. Through the rear-wheel drive and all-wheel drive settings, you can drive very well. The cooling feature in the cabin of the 2024 Porsche Panamera Sport Turismo release car can be set automatically, both in the front and rear row of passenger seats through separate controls. For audio systems, using radio and satellite radio is Sirius XM. Not to forget, The 2024 Porsche Panamera series features adaptive cruise control using steering wheel mounted audio controls. Safety locks for small children are found on the rear bench in the Panamera Sport Turismo. There is a responsive touchscreen with a size of 12 inches and Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto features that can accompany you while driving. On the front there are 3 LCD screens, and on the back there are 2 responsive screens, supported by the best Bose speakers. The number of speakers in the Sport Turismo is 10. Security features were considered very well by Porsche, such as 4-wheel disc brakes, ABS brakes, assistant brakes, airbags on the front, side, knee, and overhead. There is also a panic alarm and tracker system, namely the Porsche Vehicle Tracking System, and various other security features that are quite complete you can find in the Panamera Sport Turismo. Communication features such as voice-controlled Porsche communication management are available on the new 2024 Panamera Sport Turismo. All of these features are standard features found in the Panamera, especially the Sport Turismo. 2024 Porsche Panamera Sport Turismo price. The cheapest price you can get from a new Porsche Panamera Sport Turismo is $103,200.